Congratulations on your purchase of a brand new pool liner. All of us at LinerWorld would like to thank you for being such a valued customer. We recommend that you watch this guide before installing your new liner. Step 1. Choose a warm day with no rain or clouds. This is very important. When it is warm and sunny, the liner fits into place with ease. Step 2. Pump every drop of water out of the pool. Then remove the old liner. Next, add some pool sand and regroom the base. Step 3. Remove all top rails to expose your bare pool walls. Unfold the liner and center in the middle of the pool. Evenly spread out, ignoring the seams. The liner will not go all the way to the pool wall. There will be a space between the edge of the liner and the wall, allowing room for the liner to stretch into place. Step 4. Do not skip this step. This is where 90% of installation mistakes occur. Once the liner is centered, you will need to temporarily attach 4 points of the liner to the pool wall: north, south, east, west. This will ensure your liner is perfectly even all the way around. If you only start with 1 point and start attaching the liner by working your way around the pool, the liner will not be straight and may seem short or too small for the pool. Step 5. Once your liner has your 4 direction points attached to the walls, add 4 more in between those points and attach northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast. You may now attach the liner with coping or into the bead receiver all the way around the pool. Step 6. Add your top rails and metal back on. The liner is now centered and aligned. The liner may feel tight, but this is normal. The liner will stretch into place during the vacuum and filling process. Step 7. After installing the liner to the wall, add your shop vac to the open skimmer hole and push the vac hose down to the sand. Then duct tape the open space at the skimmer and return jet for an airtight seal. Plug the vac into a safe GFCI outlet. When you turn the vac on, if there are any wrinkles or desired adjustments with a liner, manipulate them by hand before filling. Step 8. As the vac runs and the liner is adjusted to your likeness, you can start filling the pool with water. You think your work is done, but it is not done yet. Fill during hot and sunny hours only. Fill only when someone is home to check on the filling process every 20 minutes until the pool is halfway full. If something loosens, pulls inwards, or slips at the top, turn everything off, adjust, and resume filling. Step 9. The shop vac continues to run until the pool is halfway full. As it fills, pull the vac hose up a little bit at a time so that it stays above the water level. When the water reaches the halfway point, eliminate the vac by pulling the hose out of the pool wall. Then cut the holes for your plumbing pieces, including the skimmer box and return jet. For best results, this pool liner is designed to be installed according to the instructions enclosed. Failure to follow these instructions will void the warranty. For additional video installation instructions, visit the link provided below. For best results, this pool liner is designed to be installed in 80 degrees or warmer temperatures. Filling should be completed in hot and sunny conditions. Daylight only. Do not fill at night. We recommend hiring a professional contractor, but installation can be successfully completed if you have a few extra hands. Here are some more tips to pay attention to before, during, and after you are installing your new pool liner. Congratulations on successfully installing your new pool liner. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you are in need of further assistance or have any questions, please use the following contact information provided. Enjoy your new pool liner and have a wonderful swimming season from all of us here at LinerWorld.com.